Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are going to merge PowerPoint presentations. So let us jump right into it. You are on your first presentation, and what you want to do here is you can note on the left hand side that we have a total of 9 slides. And what we want to do is we want to add another presentation to this. So we're going to go up here to insert on our menu, and from here we're going to tap on new slide on the left hand side. Now we can go down and tap on reuse slides, which is the last option, and on the right hand side over here you'll be able to browse your device for your slides. Now of course you will need to have this slide on your device, so you're just going to tap on the appropriate one and tap on open. Now this one is already opened in here, and what you want to do is you can click on the actual slide itself, okay, and you'll actually insert that individual slide. So here it is now, but let's say we would like to take all of these slides, the entire presentation, and throw it into our current presentation. We're going to right click on any one of these slides, and you can see here you have the option to insert all slides. And there you go. It is now very simply inserted in there. Another thing that you can do is right click and you can apply the theme to all of your slides, or you can go ahead and select the appropriate slides in your current presentation and apply the theme to only those ones. So if you go ahead and tap that, it should take a bit of time, but now it will change the outlay of all these slides in your presentation. If this was a super helpful video, drop us a big old thumbs up, show your support, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.